Hi, my name is B. I am a mechanical engineering student and I work for Lockheed Martin Space as a satellite engineer. I am working with the team that keeps the satellite currently up in space. So doing everything from coding for its operating systems to working with the operators that keep it from crashing into space debris, as well as making everyone's job more efficient. One of the roles that I've had is as a mechanical intern at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, working on a construction site in the theme park every day, making sure that what we installed was being built correctly, that everything met the safety standards. As engineers, we have a lot of responsibilities because what we're building has human life in the hands. I was making sure that the slides in the play area all met those safety standards as well as met the internal standards so that everything that we built matched the creative vision.
Hello, my name is Sean Radke. I'm a junior majoring in mechanical engineering. I work for the Air Force Research Laboratory as a contractor. I work in Dayton, Ohio on Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in the Aerospace Systems Directorate, working on hypersonic power and thermal programs. The group I work with has an overarching goal of making a more efficient refrigerator to fit in a plane. Instead of it being for food, it's for all the very hot electronics. The majority of the time I spend designing, building, and then testing experiments from scratch. Most experiments take anywhere between 6 months to 2 years to fully develop. So I'm able to spend my summers on site and then come back to UNL and work remotely. This next summer and fall, I've received internships from Garmin and SpaceX as a systems testing engineer. I'll be testing systems and making sure they perform as expected before they're cleared to enter service.
My name is Bruce Baker. I study chemical engineering and I work as a process engineer for ADM in Columbus, where they process corn into things like oil, syrup, cattle feed. And what a process engineer does is make sure that equipment is running, maintain, something breaks. It's my job to coordinate with contractors and make sure it gets replaced in a safe and timely manner. To improve operations of reactors, look at ways that we can change how we operate or new things we can install to a unit to improve how it runs, and to design new units or piping, go out into the field, draft up some engineering drawings. I find it exciting because you get to use chemistry and math in a practical way. You get to reduce the resource consumption of goods that people need, and you get to solve complex problems that change over time. It's a different thing every day.